Hey, what's up? I'm back, baby. It's time to do a cash stuffing, and yes, it's Sunday, August 25th. I was supposed to actually have this video up this morning, but you guys, we didn't get back till almost like 4:30 in the afternoon yesterday, and first of all, I didn't even think to go to the ATM and get cash, but second of all, we were busy doing other things. So I'm sorry this is late. I don't think I'm gonna get it up today at all. So definitely tomorrow, if not today. Okay, so anyway, hi, what is up? Let's get my change, which I have barely any, and we're gonna do some unstuffing of my little purse here. So yeah. Okay, so this is the little purse I took on vacation, and what I did was, out of my wallet, whatever spending money I had left in here from like the prior 2 weeks, I just took that out and put it in my purse. And then I also took $100 out of the ATM because I had a little extra buffer, and so, you know, I decided to take that out and just take that with me. That was all spent, and so we're gonna see what I have left. Now, in this pocket is what rollover I had. I didn't count it, but I actually didn't spend any of it because I don't really know why. I just kind of wanted to set it to the side because honestly, I wanted to have leftovers for challenges. So whatever rollover this is actually all the rollover from my spending from my wallet, because again, I didn't touch it. And then from the $100 in cash, I have, looks like just a bunch of ones left. You guys, I'm gonna be honest, I did a buttload of spending on my credit card while we were away, and I'm not happy about it, but it is what it is. So I mean, not like $1,000 or anything like that, but definitely probably like a couple hundred. I don't even know, because I was just swiping, and I have to actually like go look and see, you know, what the totals are. I'm just like digging all this stuff out of here. So yeah, that's what I did. And why would I do that instead of spending the actual cash I had in there first? I don't know, because sorry about the noise. I wanted money to put in my savings challenges, and so yeah, that's what I chose to do. So all right, that is all of that. Let's set this to the side. By the way, this purse is from Temu. It got dirty somehow. Just, I don't know, in case you happen to like it. Yeah, you could go search Temu. Okay, so let's see, before I get myself confused, this was my rollover, and then I had these ones left. Let's go ahead and count all of this and see this. All of this is going to be used towards savings challenges. So let's see how much this is. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 108. And again, this is just going to go right to the side to put towards savings challenges. And then we should have 280 here. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60. These are really crisp. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80. Okay. 280 there to go in the wallet. And I do 150, but I'm going to need $10 in change, because obviously this is all 20s. So let's see if I can find some change anywhere. So the Etsy shop is back open. If you were waiting, 10, 15, 20. If you were waiting, you know, to order or whatever, the shop is back open. I think I'm going to put on a sale one of these days, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, depending on if I get to it. So, you know, look out for a sale as well if you're interested. But yeah, it's open. And honestly, I took my computer with me, you guys, and I did nothing. I opened it one time on the ride down. It's a good 4-hour drive or more. And so that's obviously a great opportunity to get a lot of work done because I wasn't driving, my husband was. But you know, I opened my computer and inspiration just wasn't there. So I just didn't work on it. And then the entire week where we were down there, I just relaxed and also didn't have time, which I know sounds weird because we were on vacation, but I didn't want to bring it to the beach because I didn't want sand to get in it. And then, you know, at night we were just out and about. And then when we got home, we went to bed because we were tired. So I really didn't have the opportunity. And then again, on the ride back, just no inspiration. So I would have loved to come back with all these newly designed items and just create them and have an Etsy drop. But unfortunately, that's not what happened. So I don't know. I'm just going to work, you know, at my own pace and with making, you know, some new Etsy items, and they will come whenever they are ready. I need to do an Etsy launch because, I mean, sales have been really slow and I think you guys like some new items. But like I said, they'll just come when they're ready. So anyway, all that long-winded story, all that to say that the shop is back open and there's nothing new right now. Although I will say, I may have mentioned this in a prior video, I may not have. I did upload Mega Money Mall and Mucho Money Mall in digital versions. So now you can get them as digital downloads and make them yourself. I had a couple people requesting both of those, so I did that. I also have a peppermint prop money that I never showed. I fully intended to show. It was like a few drops ago, and then I just completely forgot about it, but that's up. And there are also some other like digital items that I created, of like items that I had, like physical items that I made into digitals. I don't know, maybe one or two. So I don't know, just go check it out if you're interested in maybe, you know, digital items and grabbing something that you can make at home. Just check out my digitals. You can sort the listings by digitals, and then you know, and something might pique your interest. Okay, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40 and 50. And that was a long blabbing tale about Etsy. All right, so 150 going in the wallet. I just put it all in the same spot, and we'll see what we're gonna do with the spending this week. I mean, you guys, the struggle. These next 2 weeks, we will see. My son goes back to school on Wednesday. I can't even believe it. Of course, things are progressing with the house, and so yeah, we'll just kind of see how it goes. All right, I had to run upstairs and grab the planner. So this is my seasonal undated budget planner. It is available on Amazon. It's a full color planner. It's kind of themed towards like the seasons and the months. I do also have a neutral black and white version if that's more your jam. Again, available on Amazon. They're both linked below in my description box. And here's the plan of what we're gonna do today. Just a few sinking funds, that's all. You guys, my ear is blocked. I don't know what is up with it, but it kind of sounds like I'm talking through like a tunnel or something, if that makes sense. It's really annoying. I've started taking the allergy medicine with the decongestant, and if it doesn't help soon, I'm gonna have to go to the doctor because I'm guessing it's like a fluid buildup, and I can't stand it. It's really annoying. So that happened. Okay, the first thing we're doing is 10 in emergency. Oh, I have to grab my prop money. All right, here we go. All right, so $10 for emergency, and this is prop money because this money gets transferred right into savings. So we're gonna add the 10, I'm gonna mark my tracker, and then I'm gonna color in my little challenge here. This one is available in my shop as a digital download. I like this one because it's $1,000, but it's just 5s and 10s. And it's just easy to color in my opinion, instead of having to stuff like a full $25 if you aren't able to stuff that much at a time. That's why I like this one with the 5s and 10s. So how was vacation? It was really nice. My daughter's behavior, I know I said I was worried about that. It wasn't terrible. It was much, much, much better than the cruise. So, you know, that's really all I can ask for. So yeah, we had a good time. We had some good food. I mean, there was nothing, you know, super fantastic of note, like to tell you guys all about, but it was just a nice vacation. We spent time with family and yeah, we just relaxed and all the things. Okay, $20, $40, and $50 now in emergency. We did go to Ocean City, Maryland. Again, that's my husband's like favorite place in the world, basically. We go every single year. And so, you know, he of course just loved it. All right, Prime is going to get 20 as well, and this is also in prop money. This I do save the entire year for my Prime subscription and like kids and Amazon Music and all the things. This helps me pay for that. And I am going to go ahead and color in one more hexagon on this tracker. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that a hexagon? 6 sides? I think so. And this tracker I just made really quick in Canva. I don't have it up in my Etsy shop or anything. I just made it super duper quickly. Each of these little hexagons is 20 bucks. And I just love saving this way all year because then when that big expense comes around, I already have the money for it. So I'm up to 20, 40, 60, 80, 120. 120. And what I did was I actually wrote down the amounts that I paid last year for all of those subscriptions, just so I would have a general idea. They may or may not increase this year, but at least I have like a minimum amount that I know I need to save up. Let's see, I put it here in my little notebook, and so I put the dates that it renews and the amounts. So again, just so I kind of had, you know, a little guideline as far as the minimum I need. And then Supernatural, that is my fitness game that I play on Oculus VR. I think it's called Meta now. I don't even think it's called Oculus. But that's my subscription for that. That's for an entire year. And so that's that, in case you happened to be wondering. All right, so that's Prime. And then, let's see. We got birthdays and Penelope, which I think are both probably in the other binder. I'm out of breath, you guys. I'm trying to get this video filmed. I don't know. Busy times around here. Today, I'm trying to work on getting some boxes packed and brought to the new house. I just, like, every time I try to do it, I'm just, like, extremely overwhelmed because the amount of stuff in this house is just nuts. And so, like, I literally look at everything that I have to do and then I don't get anything done because I'm just overwhelmed and I know I just need to start. So I'm starting with some little things. I already brought over some kitchen stuff that we don't use as often. Penelope's gonna get $10. And I packed up we have like a cabinet outside of our bathroom that has like spare stuff like hand soap and all that. So I packed most of that up. So I'm going to work on, like I said, trying to get some boxes over there. The bathroom is almost finished. Let's see. My daughter's bedroom is finished, except if we decide to paint the ceiling. It really should be painted, but I just don't want to do it. It's a small room, so it won't be too bad, but it will need 2 coats. I don't know if I've said this before or not, so $10 in cash. I think the people that lived there, not the previous owner, but the owners before her, were smokers, and so all the ceilings were just, gross. So really her ceiling and my son's room ceiling need to be done, but I just at this point am so sick and tired of painting. Like, I really don't want to do it. And they're kids and they don't really care. So I don't know if we're going to get those done, but every other room we did the ceilings and the walls. The only other thing besides that is the hallway, which again, I wasn't going to paint that because I'm just tired of painting. I don't know if we will do that or not. Who knows? Okay, so Penelope now has 100, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 138. So I need to get that built back up. Her annual exam, I think, is December or early January. So yeah, we need to get her built up. Okay. And then we have birthdays, which is $20 in cash. Why do I have all this? Oh, okay. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1. I was like, why do I have all this extra cash? It's because I set aside $100 in my budget to put towards my daycare savings challenge. So that's why. All right. So birthdays is getting 20. And let's go ahead and add that on my tracker. So let me know how you all are. I missed you so much. I did not watch any YouTube videos at all while I was away. Again, I was just on the beach trying to relax. We went out to dinner every night. We went to the boardwalk almost every night. And so I didn't watch YouTube videos. So I'm going to work on starting to catch up now. A little bit of catch up. I know it's impossible to fully catch up. But all that to say, let me know what you're up to. I miss you guys. Has anything good happened to you? I hope you had a wonderful week. Things are just busy around here. Okay, so in birthdays, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 10, 25, 32, 3. 133 here in birthdays, so that's good. Again, also need to bulk that one up majorly for my sons and daughters' birthdays, which are coming up in February and March, which I know it might seem like it's a long time away, but if you save slowly, over time, it's easier to, you could save smaller amounts and not have to try to put like a huge amount at once into something that you need. So that's the story behind that. And then last but not least, $20 is going into Christmas, which I would normally do a separate stuffing for the Christmas binder, but it's literally just $20. And so I'm just gonna go with it. Let's see. We have 2 scratches on here. Let's scratch one of Tracy's because she has bigger numbers on here. And then I'll probably have an IOU again. Oh, where's my calculator, you guys? Whew, I'm all over the place. All right, let's put 20 on the calculator. Let's subtract the $4 IOU. So we have 16 left. Let's see if we can get a 16 on here, and that would be great. Let's go here in this corner, a 10. Okay, so we have $6 left, and I am pretty much guaranteeing that the number is going to be higher than a 6, but you never know. Oh, do you guys see this? Do you see this? If I had scratched this one first, it would have been literally perfect. But now we have an IOU of 10, which is fine. But, man, why couldn't I have chosen that one first? All right, so let me wipe this off and get, sorry, I'm shaking the camera. This is $10, so I'm going to write that down. And we made a little bit of progress in Tracy's challenge. Again, this is one of my larger challenges. It's 125. Let me pull out the 20, and then let's count what we have in here now. So 20, 35, 45, 50, 52, 4, 6, 8, 59, 60, 61, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70, 1, 2. 72? 172? I don't know. 72. I think it's 72. Okay. All right, so you guys, wow, I'm just out of breath. I'm just all over the place. All right, we're going to clip this $10 IOU back on, and then we're going to call it good. And that is the end of this. I am going to be filming a cash stuffing probably as my next video after the savings challenges, because that is needed, especially for that Christmas binder. So look out for that. But for now, that's it for this one. Thank you so much for sticking around. As I said, I hope you had a wonderful week while I was away. Look out for the savings challenge video coming next. I love you all so much. I'll see you in the next one.